Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. And today's topic for English language is chapter number 10, the present tense. Present tense always tells us about the action done now. Let's begin the chapter with the exercise. This is Ramesh. Look at what he does every Sunday. Now describe his Sunday after seeing all the activities given below. In the first picture, he wakes up early in the morning, then he eats his breakfast, then he waters the plant. At 3 o'clock, he swims, then he paints a picture. Then Ramesh loves to play chess. So, here we have written the sentence in a simple present tense, that is by adding s or es to the verbs. So, all these sentences were in simple present tense. We use simple present tense to talk about our daily routine. Let us look at some more of its uses now. Look at the first example. This expresses things that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Man is mortal. Always written in the simple present tense. Then it also expresses action that are done as a habit. For an example, I get up early in the morning. She swims every evening. These two sentences are denoting or expressing the actions that are done as a habit. Now let's do the exercise. A verb is missing in each of these sentences. Mark the place where the verb is needed. Now match these sentences with the appropriate verbs. Let's read the sentence number 1. Jaya dashed to play in the rain. The verb which is missing here is Jaya loves to play in the rain. Second one is the dog dashed their tails in happiness. And the verb that is missing is the dogs wag their tails in happiness. Third one is the painters dash a beautiful scene. And the missing verb is the painters paints a beautiful scene. Japan dash a developed nation. The verb that is missing is. Japan is a developed nation. The dancer dash gracefully. And the verb that is missing is the dancer moves gracefully. Sixth one, the designer dash a beautiful design. And the missing verb is creates. The designer creates a beautiful design. The child dash to the instruction. The verb that is missing is the child listens to the instruction. And the last one is The citizen dash the law, and the missing verb is the citizen respect the law. So we have completed this exercise A. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is rewrite these sentences by changing the nouns and pronouns in color form from singular to plural or vice versa. Now let's read the first one. The girls play volleyball. The word written in colored, the girls, will be changed into singular. The girl plays volleyball. So this is the first sentence. The girls play volleyball will be converted into a singular sentence, that is the girl plays volleyball. And in the same way you will be doing rest of the sentence. If it is in singular form, you have to convert it into plural, and if the sentence is in plural form or the noun is in the sentence is in a plural form, you have to convert it into singular. Let us read these sentences now. Ajay is cleaning the dishes. Ajay is going to clean the dishes. Now see the difference. Notice that both these sentences are using the present continuous tense. Both the sentences are in the present continuous tense. And what do you think is the difference between the two sentences? The first sentence refers to an action that is happening now. Ajay is cleaning the dishes. The action that is happening now at the time of speaking. However, the second sentence refers to an action that will happen at some time in the future. Ajay is going to clean the dishes. The action is not done, but it will happen at some time in the future. Now let's read about the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense talks about action happening at the time of speaking, as we have read in the examples just now. With the helping verb, use of helping verb is MR plus ing form of verb. Present continuous tense also refers to the action that will happen at some time in the future. With the use of helping verb is MR plus going to with the base form of verb. Now let's look at some more example. First one, I am eating breakfast. Action that is happening now. I am going to eat breakfast. Action that will happen at some time in future. Danish is watching a film. Action happening now. Danish is going to watch a film. The action will happen after some time in future. Now it's exercise turn. Use these words to make sentences in the present continuous tense. The first one is already done for you. Jimmy read book. Now the sentences form like this. Jimmy is reading a book in a continuous form. Let's do the second one for you. The words given us is we play playground. The sentence in a continuous form will be formed as we are playing in the playground. Now, in the same way, you have to make all these sentences in a continuous tense. Then, there's another exercise. Help Viola write a letter using the simple present or the present continuous forms of the verb in the bracket. As we all know, we have learned very well the use of simple present tense by using s or es to the verb, and continuous tense with the help of helping verb, using helping verb like is, am, are plus ing form of verbs. So this you can do it on your own, children. Again, see the exercise E. Here you have to complete the paragraph using the simple present tense or present continuous form of the verbs as needed. Same as the exercise we have read above, exercise D. This also you can do it on your own. So that's all in this video. Thank you.